event today. I have the pleasure to participate today at the official opening of the 2013 World Organic Trade Fair BioFact edition. For Romania, the appointment as Country of the Year is equally a great honor and a recognition. I do believe that the participation to this important event will allow us to enhance our cooperation with countries and operators that share the same goal, to build a strong and competitive organic sector prepared for the future. Already the organic farming is an integral part of the European agriculture, and we are happy to see that its upward trend is showing not only in Europe but worldwide. According to FAO statistics, the total value of the organic products on the market was $20 billion. Is assimilated with organic farming as well. So organic farming will win a lot of this proposal. I believe that the special attention paid by EU to the organic farming reflects our goal to enhance the economic, social and environmental benefits of this sector. In Romania, organic farming has recorded an annual growth average of about 23% during 2007-2012. The number of operators registered in 2012 was 10 times bigger than in 2010, mainly due to the support policy of the ministry. In fact, even we don't have a state aid, we managed to grant on the Article 68 of Direct Payments Regulation an important amount in the first year. After, the amount was reduced a lot because the number of beneficiaries increased a lot. Good news and bad news, of course. We are proud to acknowledge now 26,000 operators, more than 26,000 operators in the production, processing and marketing of organic products, compared to only 9,000 in 2011 and 3,000 in 2010. The area organically farmed in Romania in 2012 was about 450,000 hectares, but there is still room for new investments. Designating Romania as Country of the Year at the BioFact Nuremberg 2013 represents an excellent opportunity to make our products known and present our natural potential. Not to mention here that Germany represents the main market for Romanian producers, and is normal because it's more than 80 million inhabitants in Germany. It's a huge market for us, and it represents 4 times the population of Romania, of course. The Romanian farmers and operators' skills can be seen as a good chance to develop the organic agriculture activities. The Romanian Ministry of Agriculture agrees that the EU legislation has to be improved. The new measures proposed by the European Commission are of great interest, and we will further contribute with ideas in order to achieve a flexible and functional legal framework. And I welcome the proposal, because Romania has the same intention to go and in fact, finally we have to make it compulsory to grant at least 50% of our fruit and vegetables school scheme to be organic, because we have to give to our children the most healthy products we have. For sure, for the future it will be excellent to make it 100%, because our children, our future, in fact, deserve all is the best in the world. Protecting the environment, decreasing pollution, maintenance and conservation of natural biodiversity, increase animal health and welfare will always be a priority for us. All of this will be attained by developing a sustainable and dynamic agricultural system, by supporting the renewable resources in the areas of organic farming. Our aim is to offer good and diversified organic products which contribute to a healthier life of consumers, especially European citizens, considering that the latest statistics show that there is an increased demand. 4 out of 10 people surveyed who choose organic food. It is demonstrated the fact that an unhealthy diet increases the incidence of major diseases, so I consider that promoting the consumption of organic food has to be one of our strong targets, well manifested in the BioFact Fair. Wishing full success the 2013 BioFact edition. I thank you again for the opportunity to address to your distinguished guests. I am sure that all exhibitors will take the maximum advantage of the opportunity to be present in the largest organic trade fair in the world, and I wish them success and recognition that everyone aims. Thank you very much.